In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game FlyKnight on your PC. So what we need to do is go to our Google search bar, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game on Steam. So go to the Steam website and there we will search for the game FlyKnight. After that, select it and scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game is just €5.95. Add it to your cart, and once you have done that, you can click on view my cart and proceed to the payment page. After you have proceeded to the payment page, finish the payment and this game will be downloaded into your game library and you are able to play this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!